The most popular motorcycle hitch carrier isn't always the best, that's what everyone assumes. But when you actually look closer, the real story is totally different. Some top sellers cut corners on stability, others fail under real-world weight, and a few just aren't built for long-term use. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver. Product number 1, DEAGLE Hitch Tightener. First up is the DEAGLE Hitch Tightener, not a full carrier, but a critical add-on if you already have a hitch rack and hate that annoying rattle. For just $12.55, this little black stabilizer clamps onto your 1.25 or 2 hitch and uses rubber-coated U-bolts and a powder-coated steel plate to eliminate movement. If you want peace of mind that your bike isn't shaking itself loose on the highway, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even the sturdiest carriers can develop play over time, and that constant vibration wears down your hitch, your bike, and your nerves. This tightener works with classes I through IV hitches, fits most SUVs, trucks, and RVs, and takes less than 5 minutes to install. Over 1,000 people bought it last month. And while it doesn't have reviews yet, the design matches proven anti-rattle tech used in higher-end towing gear. Now, some people might complain that this isn't a standalone carrier, and they're right. You need an existing rack to use it. Here's the thing though, if you already own a carrier, this $12 upgrade could save you hundreds in repairs down the road. This is perfect for you if you've noticed your current rack wobbling or making noise on the road. Skip this one if you don't already have a hitch-mounted carrier. It won't help you carry a bike on its own. For the price, it's an easy win. Product number 2, Extra Ezi e-bike carrier. Alright, that was a solid fix for an existing problem. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you're starting from scratch, especially if you ride heavy e-bikes. The Extra Ezi hitch mount bike rack is a beast at $382.55. But it's a 2-in-1 cargo carrier and bike rack designed specifically for fat tire electric bikes. It holds up to 300 pounds, fits 2 e-bikes with tires up to 5.5 inches wide, and folds down into a flat cargo platform when you're not hauling bikes. If you want one system that handles both gear and bikes without swapping racks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. E-bikes are heavy, often over 70 pounds each, and most standard racks can't handle the weight or tire size. This one uses reinforced carbon steel, soft frame clamps, and 3 stabilizers to prevent sway, even on rough roads. It fits 2 receivers, works on SUVs, trucks, and RVs, and the foldable design means you can park in tight spaces without removing it. Over 100 people bought it last month, and while it's pricey, the dual functionality justifies the cost for frequent travelers. Now, some people complained about the weight. 48 pounds makes it tough to lift alone. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the reinforced frame needed to safely carry heavy e-bikes. If you're solo and have back issues, it's a hassle, but for durability and safety, it's necessary. This is perfect for you if you regularly transport 2 heavy e-bikes or need extra cargo space. Skip this one if you only carry lightweight road bikes or want something easy to remove daily. Product number 3, WNMAX motorcycle carrier. Now, if the Extra Ezi's dual-use design feels like overkill, this next one takes a completely different approach, pure, no-frills motorcycle hauling. The WNMAX 500LB motorcycle carrier is a rugged steel rack built for dirt bikes, scooters, and small motorcycles up to 500 pounds. If you want a tough, simple way to haul your dirt bike without a trailer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Loading a 300lb bike alone is hard. This carrier includes a 39.4 ramp and reinforced welds so you can roll your bike up safely. It fits Class I IV hitches, works with tires up to 5.5 wide, and uses an anti-rattle tightener to keep things stable at highway speeds. The powder-coated steel resists rust, and assembly is straightforward with pre-drilled holes. Now, some people complained about the lack of foldability. It stays extended, which can make parking tricky. Here's the thing though, folding mechanisms add weak points. For a carrier that sees off-road use, solid construction beats convenience. This is perfect for you if you ride dirt bikes, ATVs, or light motorcycles and want a budget-friendly, durable option. Skip this one if you need to store it compactly or frequently remove it. The 50.6-pound weight and fixed design make it less convenient for daily use. Product number 4, Black Widow Aluminum Carrier. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for frequent riders who want durability without the weight. The Black Widow motorcycle carrier is made from high-strength aluminum, weighs less than half of steel options, and still holds up to 400 pounds. Priced competitively, though not listed. It's built for motorcycles, e-bikes, and fat tire bikes with a roll-on ramp that mounts on either side. If you want lightweight strength and easy solo loading, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Aluminum won't rust like steel, and at just 75 long and 5.5 high, it's easier to handle and store. The ramp locks flat when not in use, and the included anti-rattle device keeps your bike steady. It fits Class III and IV hitches and supports wheels up to 5.5 wide, perfect for wider tires. Over 300 people bought it last month, and the metallic finish holds up against sun and salt. Now, some people might worry aluminum isn't as strong as steel, and in extreme cases, they're right. Here's the thing though. For bikes under 400 pounds, this alloy is plenty strong, and the weight savings make a huge difference when loading and unloading. This is perfect for you if you ride often, live in a wet climate, or struggle with heavy steel racks. Skip this one if you regularly haul bikes near the 400 lb limit or ride in extreme off-road conditions where steel might be safer. Product number 5, Max Haul Cargo Basket. Now, if you're not hauling a full motorcycle but need extra space for gear on long trips, this next one flips the script entirely. The Max Haul 60x22 aluminum cargo basket isn't a motorcycle carrier. It's a versatile luggage rack that can hold up to 500 pounds of camping gear, coolers, or even a small scooter if strapped properly. At no listed price but with 50+ recent buyers, it's a lightweight, rust-proof option for SUVs and trucks. If you want maximum cargo flexibility without committing to a full bike carrier, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Sometimes you don't need to haul a bike, just extra stuff. This basket gives you 60 of open space, reflector strips for visibility, and a steel underframe for support. It's easy to clean, won't corrode, and installs in minutes. While it doesn't have bike-specific mounts, creative strapping can secure smaller rides. Now, some people complained about assembly. It requires putting together multiple parts. Here's the thing though, that's standard for cargo racks and the instructions are clear. This is perfect for you if you camp, travel often, or need adaptable storage. Skip this one if you regularly transport full-sized motorcycles. It's not designed for that kind of weight distribution. So which one's best? The DEAGLE tightener is a must-have upgrade if you already have a wobbly rack. The Extra EZI is ideal for e-bike owners who want cargo flexibility. WNMAX offers the best budget motorcycle hauling, Black Widow wins for lightweight durability, and Max Haul is perfect for gear-heavy trips. No single carrier fits all. Pick based on your bike, your vehicle, and how you ride.